Hi. My name is Julie. Today, I will help you understand what is natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Numbers, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, are called natural numbers. This does not include 0. And if we add 0 as well, natural numbers will become whole numbers, such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. And if we add negative numbers as well to whole numbers, then they will become integers, such as -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Broadly, we can say that natural numbers are subset of whole numbers and whole numbers are subset of integers. Let us see an example of natural numbers. 1 apple plus 1 apple equals 2 apple. So total count of apple is 2. Let us see an example of a whole number. This is empty basket without any apple, so count of apple is 0. Let us see an example of an integer. This is a thermometer. It consists of positive and negative integers. 0 is also an integer. Now, I will ask you some questions. Please go through. Weighing machine is an example of which number? Is it natural number, is it whole number, or is it an integer? Hooray! You are absolutely right. Weighing machine is an example of whole number, since it consists 0 as well. Okay. One more question, tell me fast. Count of bananas is an example of which number? Natural number, whole number, or integer? Bingo! You are awesome! 2 is the count of banana and it is an example of natural numbers. Okay. Last and final question for all of you. Society or apartment lift with 4 basement floors is an example of natural number, whole number, or integers. Wow! Now you are champion! Society lift with 4 basement floors is an example of integer, since it contains -1, -2, -3, -4 as basement floors. I hope I am able to clear some of your doubts regarding natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Bye for now. See you all soon with some other interesting topic. See ya.